In this tutorial, you will learn how to find books, articles and journals by using the basic search in Helka. Helka is your gateway to the Helsinki University Library collections. By using Helka, you can search for both printed and electronic materials. First, go to the address helsinki.fi/helka/n. In the upper corner at the front page, you can sign in to Helka. Choose University of Helsinki Login. Then type in your university username and password and log in. Once you are logged in to Helka with your university user account, you may also access electronic materials remotely outside the university network. In the upper middle bar you'll find, for example, New Search, Journal Search, and Database Search. You may search, for example, for books on a certain topic or a specific book title by using the name of the book or books written by a specific author. Write what you're looking for into the search box. At this point, you can narrow your search by choosing the options on the right-hand side. For resource type, choose Books. Now you can see what filters you have activated to narrow your search. With this search, you will find both printed and electronic books. You can see whether it is a printed or electronic book by looking at details of the book. Available at means that a printed book is available on the library shelf at the mentioned library location. Available online means that it is an e-book. You can choose the preferred type by further narrowing your search. For printed books, choose Held by Library. For e-books, choose Available online. To see how many copies are available in the library, click the text Available at. To see whether the book is on the shelf at the library, check the information under Location Items. You can see that this item is available in the library. Click Location to see the library floor map. To borrow printed books from the library, you'll need a Helka card. When you want to take a closer look at an e-book, click the text Available online. If you see the buttons under View Online, click the name of the e-book service to access the content. Write the name of the article in a search box. Choose International Articles. If you choose to search everything, it might give you too many results. In this way, you'll be able to find articles published in international journals. If you do not find the article that you are looking for, try searching by using the journal name instead of the article title. If you see the buttons Download PDF or View Issue Contents, you may click on one of them to access the content directly. These buttons may not always be available. If not, you can access the content by clicking on Available online. Write the journal topic or title in the search box. Choose Everything. At this point, you can narrow your search by choosing, for the resource type, Journals. You may choose availability options such as peer-reviewed journals or open access. When you have found the right journal, the text Available online indicates the journal is available online. If you see a button labelled View Journal Contents, You may click on it to access the content directly. This button may not always be available. If not, you can access the content by clicking Available Online. For more information about the library, visit the website.